Hello, my name is Sherry Marshall. We're on assignment number 3, and PowerSchool Learning is the learning management system that we're working on currently, formerly known as Haiku. I will take you on a very brief tour. Currently, right now, we're on the Welcome Back Class tab, and at the bottom is just a quick little video of just welcoming back the class, a cute little song that I have on there. Also on the next tab I hit is About Me page, and on the About Me page welcoming the students as well as the parents, and there is a PDF to hit that goes into further detail about who I am. I'll hit it real quickly, see if I can bring it up very quickly, and have my office hours and information about that if the student or the parent need to get in touch with me. The next tab I have is How Are You Doing? And I scroll down here and it says we are listening. This has been a big transition for all of us, and it goes in just a little bit more of the emotional support that they may need. This next tab that I have here is got any more questions? I've got more answers, and so then we go into some more dialogue of some important dates coming up, and then also an attachment of further questions that they may have, but it's also on the Microsoft Word that I did the print screen on, so it goes into a little detail of that. I have collaborative tool, and on this collaborative tool, or Let's Collaborate, it's a fun Google slide where they do a storybook in one person. Each student just take one page only, and I give an example of that. And then this one goes into detail of the Google slide. If I can go there real quickly, and I'll try to go back. And so then I have my page, and then the next student will have their page. So it's kind of fun. I love the collaborative. I think it's so much fun. And I'm going to just quickly, if you don't mind, go all the way back to the tab. There we go. Okay. So after that, we have the self-assessment. They need to know where they are themselves. So they have a self-assessment to make sure they're on track. Are they understanding? And I have a PDF. Am I understanding or not? And this is a self-assessment. And they can be able to do thumbs up, thumbs sideways, or thumbs down, and kind of see, are their signs correct or maybe not? And if it isn't, then they can go to the resource page. And on this resource page, they can go ahead and do some self-correction of some videos or what area that they feel that they may want to brush up on, and so they can do that. And then before I go to the last tab, I'm going to go to the calendar. And when I go to the calendar, it just has your regular check-in, grades to do, last day of school, makeup work, final test, things like that. And let me see, I have my announcements. And on the announcements, it's just to make sure to go ahead and check and log into PowerSchool daily so they get instructions and just a little extra quote to just stay positive. On here I have my assignments, and on the assignments we have the spatial referencing and pronouns. That's what they're working on, and that's why the links went up to that. And on the assignments they go into some other spatial referencing links. So they have resources links and they have links this way, and they also have the actual assignment on there. And then also we have a student reflection, still checking in to see how they're doing with this remote learning. And then in addition to that, after the assignment, how did things go on the class? Just would like to have a little reflection on that. And I believe, the assessment. And on the assessment, they have a quiz, and it go into detail about their quiz and have just a little DOK level, the depth of analyzing their thinking process. And just a little information on that as I'm talking so they can have some backup that goes to it. And the last thing I want to go to real quickly is just to show you having fun online. After they do Zoom, sometimes they do get bored, and this goes into some fun different games that you can do online, or with interactive games with your friends and your, in between classes or homework assignments on the weekend. So that's pretty much it. I did give us a quick, brief reflection on the Microsoft page at the end of the print screen. Thank you for this platform activity. It was fun.